Hi, my name is Joe Perfito. I'm president of Tributaries Cable and Power Products, and we're located in Orlando, Florida, and I'd like to show you some of the products that we have developed for in-wall power surge suppression and filtering. First product I'd like to show you is our PWRI-X. This is an in-wall product that gives the integrator a method of protecting the television. Let's say it would be a good idea, television, from surge suppression by having an outlet that goes into the wall behind a TV, and then an outlet that goes into the wall behind the surge suppression unit, which probably would be located at a different location in the room. And then the wiring goes, AC wiring goes between the two outlets, and we have another outlet behind this that is wired with a PowerCon AC connector. This plugs into the wall behind the equipment, locks in, cannot be pulled out, and then the wiring from that gets plugged into the back of a power conditioning. Therefore, we have the power conditioning coming down that AC line into this connector, through the wall to the back behind the TV, and then ultimately into the TV, providing filtering and surge suppression for a television. Now, that's a great product, but there is one other possibility, and that is having to do with the wiring that goes between the outlet and the unit behind the surge suppressor. That happens to be, that wiring can act as an antenna, and through electromagnetic interference disrupt the signal that's going to the TV and provide interference for that TV. So what we've done in this case is we've provided a second unit, the PWRI-F. This unit has filtering built into the station, into the outlets, so that when that signal gets from the power conditioner to the outlets, it's been filtered and clean and ready for that TV to produce the best possible picture for that TV. A third solution that we have is our PWRI Pro. This unit is self-contained surge suppression, filtering, and under and over voltage, all in one UL-approved double gang outlet that'll fit in any of the Rayco boxes and any of the other boxes that are made for wall custom installation. The under and over voltage is a very important part of this product, and that is, if the voltage drops below 85 volts, this unit will turn off the electricity to those outlets. When the voltage gets back to 90 volts, with a 5-second delay, it will turn the voltage back on again. If the voltage goes above 135 volts, it will shut down. When it gets down to 130, it'll come back on again with a 5-second delay. That power then is filtered, is surge suppressed, and ready to go for whatever kinds of product you have. Unit requires a double gang box. It really is perfect for in-ceiling projectors where the projector is a long way away from a power conditioner. So, and also can be put behind TVs, TV on the wall, where you want to have everything in one location. So that's our 3 units for in-wall operation. Let's take a walk over to another couple of products I think you will be interested in. First product is our AC1 digital audio converter. This has a Toslink or a coax input, and it converts either coax or Toslink to a Toslink or coax output. Very simple device. If you need another coax input or another Toslink input, this will provide it for you. Second model is an AC200. This is essentially a digital audio converter or an audio to digital converter that operates with a coax or digital or a right-left input, and it'll output a right-left coax or digital output. And the only thing it does not do, it will not decode a Dolby signal, but it will give you a transfer from digital to analog. This unit, the AC300, is a new unit for us at the show. We're just introducing this. This has a Toslink input, and it will produce a right-left output that is digitally decoded. So if you need a second output, you need an output for a remote zone, and you have a digital feed, you can feed that in Toslink and come out of right-left audio. This is powered USB, by the way. Okay, coming around, HDMI extenders. Here's some really interesting products for us, starting with the HX1C6. HX1C6 is a Balun type unit that will extend HDMI high speed of over 30 feet using Cat6, a single Cat6 unit. The second unit is an HX1C6 Lite, which is an HD base T unit that will operate HD base T Lite, meaning it doesn't go quite as far as the HD base T units, which are approximately 300 feet, and it also does not have RS-232 on it, but it is a single Cat6. Third unit is the HD base T 5-play unit that has RS-232. It has dual bidirectional IR, and it will go 300 feet on a single Cat6. HD base T is the most robust of all the HDMI extenders and has done a great job, and it's increasing in popularity. Last unit on the Balun side is the HX1RG6 that will extend HDMI over a single RG6, and we can go high speed 400 feet and 300 feet with solid copper RG59, and then 100 feet with what we call a 23 gauge Trib Mini. But all the RG6s are required to be solid copper. Lastly is our HX102 equalizer extender. This is a unit that's made to be plugged into an HDMI cable at its end run and then connected into a display unit. This is to help solve problems where we have a standard cable that we would like to have at high speed, or we have a cable that is standard that's producing sparkles, and maybe it's in a wall and it can't be removed. This can be plugged into the end of it. This will cure the sparkles and give you a full high-speed signal. Those are our extenders and Baluns. If you'd like any other information on our products, please visit www.tributaryscable.com. Thanks for listening.